So you're not gonna work? We trying to make a video today. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Andria. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I am doing an I tried video. I am going to be doing the Maya Galore electric blue look that she did. It's super cute, super fun, and she's like gorgeous. Like, I love her. Her personality's fucking phenomenal, y'all. She is another small YouTuber. I will make sure I link her video as well as her channel in my description box. If I don't, make sure you leave me a comment so that way I can edit that and update it. But I love her personality. She's super cool, super talented. She's like gorge. So yeah, let's get it popping now. So before we get started, first things first, let's pull Pocahontas out the way here, because baby, this hair, it's a lot, man. It's hot. Like, she's a lot to deal with. All right, so now that that's out the way, let's see what Maya got cooking. Yes, intro. She better come through. So she's gonna be using the ABH palette, Modern Renaissance. I ain't got it, and she ain't gonna get it neither. So I don't have the palette she's using. However, I will be using the first edition BH Cosmetics. It's the 120 palette. And I'll also be using my Sephora Color Analogy palette. I love, these are low-key like a couple of my favorite, because literally you have every color you need. So let's get it popping. Let's see what Maya does first.
I'm going to go into is my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I am going to go into the color Raw Sienna. And I'm going to use this for my transition shade. Okay. Also, to prime my eyes, I use Kylie Cosmetics.
Okay, so let's prime it. Alright, so the concealer I'm going to be using is LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Fond. I feel like I don't normally use this one. I use it sometimes. I used to use almond. My almond, maybe it ran out. I don't know. Let's take off these glasses. Y'all, by the way, I cannot see without my glasses, so if you see me squinting when I'm looking at this to see what she's doing, it's because I can't see. But anyways, let's get primed. So the transition color that Maya used was like a brown color. So I believe I am going to be going into this brown color right here. It's pretty neutral to my skin tone. It's not too dark. It's not too light. So I feel like that would be the best transition color. So for my transition color, I am going to be using this small little brush. I actually got it out of Victoria's Secret's like makeup brush thing. I might have got that when I was like in high school, like when I didn't know what I was doing. So, but I don't know. Honestly, it's coming very handy. Normally, I use it to blend out like my concealer that I use for my eye primer. But for the sake of the video, we're going to use it for this. So, I always like to tap off my brush just so like there's not too much product. And honestly, these BH Cosmetics ones can be a little bit powdery. And actually, we're going to get rid of this big old mirror since I have a mirror right here. What we got going on next?
Do this color here.
Wait, pause.
Yeah, I'm going to put that in my
she got her whole eyebrows done. I should have did my eyebrows. It's weird because I honestly, before I ever, like my makeup routine, before I even get into eyeshadow, I always do my eyebrows. Baby, this is on the eye look. So, y'all gonna... You better not talk about my eyebrows, because my eyebrows be on fleek like normally. Okay? Okay? And two, baby, I ain't up.
And I'm really going to concentrate that color.
Oh, she jumped right into the blue, sis. So what she did was pat it in right above the crease. What the hell? So you're not gonna work? We trying to make a video today. Okay. Oh, okay, pigment. But you acting up now. Ooh. Alright, so she patted it in, and then she swirled. Okay. 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 Like somebody just beat me up. Okay, so let's do. We gotta work fast. Y'all playing. So.
To a transition as well.
Okay, so then she ended up using a denser brush. What that mean? Girl, don't ask. I normally use. I don't know. I'm gonna stick to my crease brush. She said I use a denser brush. Girl. Sis. I don't even know. But she said she used whatever color she used and the color next to it. So just to deepen it. So what I'm going to do is use that plus maybe I'll even use, let me just run it back so I can see the colors that she used and compare it to what she got. I'm going to actually end up using this blue that I already used plus the one next to it. So I'm going to mix those two together and we're going to go right back on top like she did. Oh yeah, sis, I see what you mean. Okay, okay. Yeah. It is a little bit darker. Go ahead. Go ahead, teacher. Okay. I hope they see. Y'all see it? Y'all see the transition? Because I see it. Okay, y'all. So what she just did was go in with her primer potion from Urban Decay. And pretty much made a wing because she doesn't have a gold liner and neither do I. So thank God you did that, Maya, because we about to be out here looking sick, okay? So what I'm going to be doing is two things, I think, and hopefully it works. Okay, so what I'm going to use is I'm going to go back to the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And then I am also going to go with my Too Faced Glitter Glue. Maybe I'll try the glitter glue first now. Because I'm already looking at the applique and so I'm definitely going to have to go with this like little brush one first. Hopefully this works. Yeah. Oh, wrong cat. So what we're going to do is create this one. Okay, okay. Maya, girl, you done taught me something new. Cause this, again, I never do a wing. I mean, I wear glasses, so can't nobody ever tell. Okay, that's gonna be as good as it gets, boo. And she took a gold color, so I am going to be using my Sephora palette for the gold, and she used a pointed brush. So, let's see. Yo, Maya, girl, teach me how to do a wing because it's a no. It's a hell no, actually. Oh, baby. Hell no. Who told me this shit was alright? Girl, these I Tried It videos tried it. Y'all, this, I can't. Oh my God. No. Like, I can't do this. Like, God. Clearly doing a wing ain't for me. Unless I have, like, the liquid liners. This is why I don't do a wing, y'all. This is exactly why. Okay? I know better. Okay? Okay, so she put on lashes. I never use lashes. I have some, but one, I would have to go dig them up. She ain't doing that. And two, I have no lash glue. So we ain't doing lashes today, I guess.
Be right back. So for my under eye.
So Maya, so you just gonna skip the whole foundation and everybody? Y'all, I'll be back. Let me go get my foundation on. Okay, so I did that real quick. Let's get back to the video. So again, I'm gonna do exactly what she did. So she did the color that's on her lid in the middle. And by the way, I never do my lower lash line either. Oh, this is gonna be a mess. Okay, in the middle. Oh. Ooh. And we have the dark color on the outside. Okay, let's see. Let me bring it closer because y'all know I'm blind.
Until my Maybelline Time Shayla Colossal Big Shot
Oh.
Mascara. So for highlight today, I am.
So of course she used mascara, but of course I just finished on mine and haven't had a chance to run out and get some more at Walgreens, so no mascara for more. Oh, y'all, it looked like she got on blush, and of course I forgot to put on blush, so I'm just gonna throw on a little bit of blush because it looked like she got on blush. And I'm gonna be using the blush kit from Anastasia. I am going to be using the Anastasia Aurora Lime Glow Kit. For the inner tear duct, I went a little bit overboard. Just a little bit overboard, but whatever. Let's see what else Miss Naya does. Girl, she's doing lips too. For her lips, she keeps it super simple, which I love, especially with this kind of bold makeup, because you don't want to do too much when your eyes are already doing it all. So she just does a simple gloss. So before we do the gloss, always get to that Vaseline on the lips, y'all, or chapstick. Just keep it like hydrated. But she does also. Oh.
I think I'm definitely.
Okay, gloss time, folks. Oh, and what I am using is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. Now let's see why she was feeling herself in this video. Yes, because I need to. Ooh, look at me. Who do I think I am, people? We are done. Let me know what you guys think. Maya, girl, I give it to you. Like, I can normally do my makeup and it normally looks super good and I get complimented on it, but I realized doing this type of video, like, you trying to follow somebody else's routine, like, it's not, I can't do it. One, I actually just realized, y'all, I ain't even got on my glasses, so I need to put them back on because I can't see. So thank you guys for watching the I Tried It video, and y'all, I definitely tried it because it's harder than it looks. Like, I am so used to my routine, so trying to follow someone else's, and I am low-key a perfectionist, so the fact that I couldn't get it precisely like hers is like really eating at me. But again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video, you thumbs it up, make sure you leave a comment below and share it with your friends. Most importantly, Again, if you haven't done so, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and stay tuned for more.